Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of this 2015 one-owner Dodge Grand Caravan. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Got a conversion back here, got these clamps, very easy to do. I can do this using only 2 fingers. Got a handle on either side. Undo it just like so. What you can do is take the ramp down here. I can do this with using 1 finger, my index finger. Look there. Very easy to do. It's spring assisted. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. It does taper down to 33 inches there at the base. We have 8 tie-down points. You can get 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. It's got a clean interior. It's got your rear air. Headliner looks good. Everything looks good inside. Between that second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. So generally, the wheelchair will sit up right between the feet. The bottom will sit just behind it. That's just some staining from the soap. I'm gonna have my guy clean all that out. So it's not anything major. He didn't wipe out all the soap. So that's that white you're seeing right there. We can install seats that flip up on their side. If you need more room, we can remove 1 seat. Everything looks good on the interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Dash looks great. All 4 windows roll down, steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your auxiliary plug there. You can sync your, put your auxiliary cord in there. Got the cup holders, dual climate control, rear air. A little bit of wear on the armrest there. Hope you can see in our videos. We're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can and show you everything that we see. And we do give a free set of Q-strength pull tight tie downs that way with each van. When you've got everybody secure, come back out. Put her right back up, clamp her down, and you're ready to roll. Give the trunk a nice hard slam. You're ready to go. The exterior of the van has tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. It's got brand new tires on it. Look at that, look at that. All the tread in those. Just a ton of tread left, brand new tires. This black paint still shines great. Still looks very clean, very nice. I do notice a few small scratches there in the hood. Nothing, definitely nothing major. I'm gonna try to have my guy buff on those a little bit. He must have been tired this morning when he detailed this thing. I'm gonna have him hit it again, a few of those small spots. But overall, very clean vehicle, very well taken care of. You're not gonna find many used vehicles that are in this good a condition. We do have the 1 key, the keyless entry. If you want us to get a second key made on your dime, we can do so. They're about $199 each. Got your VIN number right there. You know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each vehicle. This one shows no accidents or damage, 1 owner, 13 service records. As we scroll down, Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total losses, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage, no open recalls. As we scroll down, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly with regular oil changes. You can see all this on our website. Click Show Me the Carfax on our website. Very clean vehicle and been serviced, no accidents, 1 owner. Also, if you go to google.com, Google Affordable Mobility Solutions, you'll see us right there. 4.8 out of 5 stars. We've got great reviews. You can click on the reviews, see all the wonderful things people have said about us. Also, if you find us on eBay, you can see we have 821 reviews in the last 12 months. Look at that. Look at all those positive feedback. No one ever has a bad thing to say about us. We're honest with people. We're up front. No one goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting with the Carfax reports, detailed videos, our reviews on Google, or reviews on eBay. Not all sellers are the same, trust me. Okay, as far as the interior, the rest of the vehicle, very clean. Very nice, well taken care of interior. Back seats look like they've hardly ever been set in. Got your armrest there. Put your armrest down. When I go to start the van up, fires up first time every time. You see the current mile is 69,520 miles. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, so that's all great. I'm gonna pop the hood so we can listen to it run. But we check the big and the small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We do not just throw these on the lot. We inspect them. If we see a scratch, if we see a worn armrest, we try to tell you everything we see about the van. Even got the rear vents back there. Those pop in and out. We've pushed every button on this van, making sure everything works. Underneath the hood, no signs of any damage along the fender rails here. No cracks in the headlights. My little niece gave me a little pink fingernail, so please ignore that. Or indulge in it if you like, whatever your pleasure. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any flood damage. No signs of any accidents. Got your emissions control sticker right there. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Everything is clean. I don't see any signs of any bent metal from an accident. The air conditioner is dripping back there. That's normal. Very clean undercarriage. You know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it only has, for example, 69,000 miles on it. They assume because their salesman is nice to them. They automatically assume the vehicle runs and drives good. How clean that is. They assume that it's not all rusted out, you know. And go look at our competition. I'm fine. Go look at them right now. Go to their website. I'm sending you back to them. Look at their pictures. How many pictures do they have of the undercarriage of the vehicle? Yeah, you tell me. Come back to me and tell me. None. Because a lot of them buy these vans from Chicago and New York. They're all rusted out. And I'm telling you what, rust can lead to a lot of issues. I do not buy rust buckets. I do not buy ones out of floods. You know, that's all things you can hide if you don't show the undercarriage of the vehicle. So be very aware of that. Do not assume things. People get burned on the internet every day for their life savings. Do not be one of those naive people and demand a detailed video. And if you don't demand a detailed video and the van shows up and it's got a bunch of problems they didn't tell you about, or a bunch of dents, or a bunch of rust, or the transmission slipping, you really only have yourself to blame, and good luck going after somebody across the country that did you wrong. Good luck. So let me get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. It runs and drives great. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I've got the cruise control set. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to like 8 years. So, you know, protect your investment. Spend a couple $100. I can't promise what they're gonna do tomorrow. I can promise what they're doing today. I can promise they've been serviced and looked at, but understand they are used vehicles. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers put a real nice price on the internet. What they don't tell you about is their administrative fees, document fees, tag fees, all these fees they make up. Then, oh yeah, then you got to factor in shipping. And next thing you know, that vehicle you thought was a real good price is now about $3,000 more than you expected to get it to your door. And my point is, you know, if a dealer puts online that a vehicle is $30,000, other than sales tax, up for Uncle Sam, if they put it's $30,000, the vehicle needs to be $30,000. Not $31,500 after all the fees. Not $30,500 after all the fees. It needs to be $30,000. And if they're hiding the real price of the vehicle from you, you know, if they're not even being honest about the actual price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding accidents? Are they hiding mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not being upfront and honest from me from the start, I know I don't trust them. I know I'm not giving them my hard-earned money. And I know I'm not sending money across the country to someone I've never met that's not being honest with me from the start. So that's for you to consider, but just a little word of advice. Someone that's been doing this 10 years, something you need to consider. Going to give it a nice hard brake so you can see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibrations. So everything's good. And the running, driving looks good, everything. If you do want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Hey, if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. I am the owner, and you now have my cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call the competition, those big companies like VMI, Braun, Freedom Motors, United Access, Mobility Works, and I want you to ask them, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Find out for yourself. Are they committed enough to customer service to do that for you? Ask them. See what they say. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or to your email address. And hey, if you're old school, you don't do computers and stuff like that, that's okay. Give us a call. We'll be happy to take an application over the phone, happy to help out. We do take trade-ins, so if you have a trade, give me a call. I can explain to you how all that might work if we go through with the trade. And check out our entire inventory with detailed videos and Carfax reports and dozens of pictures at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.